Hey everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This comes in a silver exterior with a black interior. Dark wood grain accents throughout the vehicle. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Let's take a look at the rear. So we have our 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz and GLC 300 badging and a power opening and closing trunk. Some all-weather mats there for you. And let's take a look at the rear of the vehicle. In more of that wood grain accent throughout, as well as the premium Burmester sound system. Rear seats. Give a look at that sunroof, both front and rear. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And let's go ahead and take a look at the driver's side. So we have memory seats on the driver's side and heated seats for both driver and passenger. More of the Burmester sound system. Driver door controls. Lumbar support. Driver's seat. Steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 15,348. And we have a push-button ignition. So here is our display, which is easily controlled using the command module right down here. So radio, backup camera. Below that we have our climate control. And cup holder, as well as wireless charging for a cell phone. Dynamic switch here is for controlling different sport modes between, eco, comfort, sport, sport plus, or any individual settings you may have set up. And you also notice the LED ambient lighting throughout the vehicle, also fully customizable within the touchscreen there. Lots of different colors, zones, multi-colors, lots of things you can adjust there. Pretty cool. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting any additional information about this GLC 300 or any of our other vehicles, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.